Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics, chapter 1 real numbers. And the topic we are going to discuss today is 1.3 the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, starting from page number 7. So we have completed exercise 1.1. Now let's start with 1.3. So this is the factorizing method. Just go through these theorems. Theorem 1.2. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Example 5 is, consider the numbers 4 power n, where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 power n ends with digit 0. What they are asking is 4 power n. So for any value of n, the value of this will become 0. So let's check it. So for example, first let's try with 4 power 1. In place of n we can try as 1. So it is 4. 4 power 2. 4 into 4 is 4 square is 4 into 4, which is 16. 4 power 3. 4 into 4 into 4, which is 4 4 16. 16 4s are 64. It ends with 4, not 0. Let's try for 4 power 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which is 4 4 16. 464 into 4 is 256. It still ends with 6. 4 power 5. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 16 64 256. 256 into 4 is 1024. You see the pattern that it keeps ending with 4 6 4 6 4. So it just keeps going like that. It cannot end with 0. So the answer will be like, so there is no natural number n for which 4 power n ends with digit 0. Now, example 6. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. So, we know the basic LCM and HCF method in our lower classes, but here we are going to try with prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, the HCF value is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor, and LCM is the product of greatest power of each prime. So let's start with LCM. So for LCM of 6 is, start with the lowest number 2 3 times, and for 20 is 2 10 times, 2 5 times. So for 6 it is 2 into 3, 2 power 1. For 20 it is 2 into 2 into 5, which means 2 square into 5. So for LCM, the formula is product of the greatest power of each prime factor. So the prime factor we have is 2, 3 and 5. So in 2 we have these two. So in this, the greatest prime factor, greatest power is 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 into 3. We have only 1. So 3 power 1 into 5. 5 power 1. So it is 2 power 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. So the LCM we got for this 6 and 20 is 60. See that? So the LCM we have got is 60. Now we can find HCF. So for HCF of, let's start again, 2, 3 times, and for 20 it is 2, 10, 2, 5 times. So which means for 6 it is 2 into 3. You can actually write 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, whichever is comfortable for you. And then this 2 into 2 into 5, which means 2 square into 5. So the formula for HCF is product of smallest power of each common prime factor. So in this we have 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. So others remaining 3 power 1 and 5 are only the single factors, so we can leave that. It has two factors. I mean 2 is 2 times. So we can take the smallest power in this. The smallest power. So which means it is equal to 2 power 1. Therefore HCF equals 2. So to explain again, for HCF of 6 and 20 and LCM of 6 and 20. So let's start with the LCM. For 6 it is 2, 3 times. Actually for LCM you can even do like this because it will be easy. So 3 1 times. So for LCM usually we can make this to end with 1 and 2 5 times. So again you can take 5 and do it till we get 1. And then we have to write all the factors. So for 6 it is 2 into 3 and into 1, and for 20 it is 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. So here it is, whenever you get like this you just form it in the term of power. So 2 power 2 into 5 and the product, this is the important step. So the product of greatest power of each prime factor. For LCM it is greatest power of each prime factor. Whatever the prime factors you have, all those you have to write with the greatest power. Here, but here only 2 we have like this. So we are taking the 2 with greatest power, 2 power 2 and 3 power 1 and 5 is also power 1. So we are taking this and multiply everything and you are getting LCM 60. Whereas for HCF, you have to do the same and the product of smallest power of each common prime factor. So here we have for 2. So for 2 it is 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. So which is the smallest power? 2 power 1. So we are taking it. So the value of HCF is 2. So the HCF of 6, 20 is 2. So this is a formula we have to remember in this. For HCF, we have to take the product of smallest power of each common factor, whereas for LCM, you have to take the greatest power. LCM, you have to take greatest, and for HCF, you have to take the smallest power. And the other formula you have to keep in mind in this is, we'll actually be using this formula, HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B equals A into B. Here A is 6 and B is 20. So they are taken as HCF of 6, 20 into LCM of 6, 20 equal to 6 into 20. You will understand this much more easily. We discuss the remaining sums. Thanks for watching. Please try this sum. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to get the recent updates. Thank you.